If you want to lose 3 inches from your waistline and drop 10 pounds in just 10 days, then you have to eat 1 tablespoon of cinnamon with 1 cup of goat milk every single night. And in the morning, you must scramble that tablespoon of cinnamon with 4 ounces of tofu cooked in pumpkin oil. As crazy as that claim was, trust me, I've heard worse. But now that I have your attention, let me tell you about the true benefits of cinnamon and why you have to keep it in your pantry. Now, although that claim was a little bit or a lot exaggerated, there is a little bit of truth when it comes to cinnamon being a fat burner. But before I tell you about how cinnamon can help you lose fat and how you should be doing it, let me tell you about some of the other benefits of cinnamon so that I can make a stronger case as to why you need to have it in your pantry. Cinnamon is a fantastic natural spice that only contains 15 calories per tablespoon. It can help you fight inflammation, it is a great antioxidant source, it can even help lower blood sugar levels, and it is mostly fiber. But how I think you could truly benefit from cinnamon is that it can help you control sweet cravings, and the reason for that is we know how amazing cinnamon tastes, and it literally contains no sugar. Now, when it comes to the fat burning properties of cinnamon, cinnamon has actually been proven to have metabolic boosting properties, meaning that it's gonna help you burn a little bit more energy throughout the day. However, that doesn't mean that cinnamon is a magic product in that you can eat whatever you want, not exercise, not be physically active, and still lose weight. Cinnamon is going to be a great enhancer and a great addition for somebody, as I'm assuming you, if you're watching this video, somebody who's trying to make healthier choices, they're trying to make better habit changes, they're trying to improve their lifestyle, their food quality, then cinnamon is going to be the most beneficial for you in that particular scenario. Additionally, if you are trying to lose weight, if you are trying to get healthier, I don't want you to get the message from this video that because you saw in this video that cinnamon is good for you, that you can eat 3 to 4 tablespoons a day and it's going to be okay. Just like with anything in life, especially with nutrition, moderation is key, and too much of anything can be bad for you. The same thing goes with cinnamon. If you eat too much cinnamon, it can actually be toxic for your liver and it could lead to some long-term problems. So when it comes to cinnamon, try to keep it to no more than half a tablespoon a day. And even in such case, that's more on the high end. You should use it for whenever you are having sweet cravings, just like dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a video for another time, but cinnamon and dark chocolate are the 2 natural food ingredients that you should probably have in your pantry and in your fridge for whenever you are having those sweet cravings. So bottom line, make sure that you have cinnamon in your pantry because it can enhance the results of your already hard work, and it tastes amazing, and it's very low calorie, it's high fiber, and there's many other health benefits that come with it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure that you like the video because I do a lot of videos just like this where I focus on little habits that lead to lifelong weight loss success. And let me know in the comments what your favorite cinnamon recipe is. If you don't have one, I have the perfect one for you. And that is a creamy stuffed cinnamon churro. And I think I did that video about a year ago, but I'm gonna leave it. It's gonna be the first video that you see in the description below. So if you don't have any cinnamon recipes, you can copy mine. That's how I use my cinnamon. And I'll see you in the next video.